Not sure where to go, or what to see? Then, let's explore Launceston. A busy day spent exploring must-see attractions, including Junction Arts Festival, City Park, Launceston, and Queen Victoria Museum and Art Gallery. Next to City Park, Launceston. Long-standing park with grassy lawns and gardens, plus a macaque monkey enclosure and kids' playground. Next to Queen Victoria Museum and Art Gallery. Exhibits on many topics, including Tasmanian history, plus a hands-on science centre and planetarium. Next to Tamar Island wetlands. Nature preserve with a lagoon featuring a bird observation area, a visitor center and guides. Next to TREVALLYN Dam. Visitors can climb up this concrete dam built in 1955 to supply water to a nearby power station. Move on to Gorge Scenic Chairlift. Built in 1972, this chairlift travels 457 meters, over a massive river basin in a preserved natural area. Move on to Cataract Gorge Reserve. Public park with a chairlift, hiking trails and landscaped gardens as well as a cafe and restaurant. The most popular travel time in Launceston is all year. The temperature ranges from 25 to 2 degrees Celsius. Yearly events. Festivale is in February. Breath of Fresh Air Film Festival is in November. Taste of the Tamar is in July. Check the video description below for weather tips, more events, and helpful links to plan your trip. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe so that you always go the best way for the best day.